Thank you so much for the 1 million subscribers that I have on this channel. I am really grateful for each and every viewer, each and every subscriber who has been through there with me in this journey. And also, today I just want to talk about how oversharing, over expressing is not your problem, but in fact is your biggest strength. So over the period of time in my life, I have realized one thing, and which is that oversharing is something that is truly your biggest strength instead of your gray area. Okay, so when I was in school, people used to tell me that maybe I should stop that, maybe I should work on it, and I did. For a fact, for real, for particular period of time, I just stopped doing and I just listened to others. And as a result of that, I just felt that I am not my own self. I did lose my own touch with myself. And that is when I realized that if oversharing is something which makes me lose my own essence, then I think I don't mind, because for me, I will respect others' opinion, no doubt in that. And I truly, genuinely, till this date, respect the people who tell me that I should stop all of these. But I respect myself more than anyone else out there. So if changing that thing is affecting me, so I do not want to change it. And I know that it is not an area which I need to improve on. It is an area which I am proud of myself. Like, no doubt that I have come across people wherein I did hurt my own self because of oversharing. But when I analyzed what the thing was, I felt more lighter when I expressed. So for me, this entire journey has been a learning, and I have concluded that it is my biggest strength. So if you are someone who feels and thinks that oversharing is something that you need to work on, then please, this video, take it as a sign for you to just be the same. Okay, and do not change your own self for someone else. Okay, just make sure that you do what works for you the best, because you know yourself more than anyone else out there. So this is probably what I would recommend you as a friend, that do not ever change yourself. In this journey, no doubt you are going to get hurt, but at the end, the thing that is best for us is after we share, we feel much more lighter and we are not affected by that thing anymore. And what's the best thing to even do that, like feeling lighter after you have shared that problem to that concerned person is literally the solution. And this is something which not everyone does. Okay, and if you are someone who feels lighter, then please do not change. Okay, you got this, you are on the right track. So let's just end the video with the mantra: Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Thank you so much. I hope I have provided you value in this video, and I truly, genuinely appreciate for your time, presence, your energy to watch the video till the end. And also, the introduction that I shared in this video in the start is something that I'm manifesting on. So I'll be doing that in every video of mine. So just in case if you were new. So yeah, that is it. Thank you.